Hi, this is part 3 SQL Server. In this section, we will learn how to update in SQL Server, how to delete in SQL Server. Okay, let's see. Update statement in SQL Server. Update statement is used to change or update the value in a table. Okay, we can check how to update existing value in a table. This is the syntax: update table name. Here you can enter here your table name. What is your table name? That name you can enter here. Set column 1 equal to value 1, column 2 equal to value 2. Column you can enter here column name. Also you can enter here your value, what you need to change. That value you can enter here. Then your condition. Okay, I am going to open my SQL Server Management Studio. Let's see. Okay guys, I'm going to retrieve my data from database. Okay guys, already we have one database here. Database name TBL students. Okay, also we have one table here, table admission number. Now I am going to update this name. Now you can see here we have total 3 record here, 1 2 3. I am going to this name. I'm going to update this name, Salman. Okay, enter for a date. Then enter here table name. What is our database name? Sorry, what is our table name? Table admission number. Okay, enter here our table name, TBL admission number. Okay, set. What is the column name here? Name. Okay, I enter here name equal to this name you want change here. Enter what is your value. That value you can give here. Okay, and give here Shamir. Okay, your condition where ID equal to, I'm giving this ID 1. Okay, ID 1. Update table admission number. Set name equal to Shamir, word ID equal to 1. Okay guys, I am going to execute this code. You can see here one row affected. Okay, I'm going to execute this set statement. Now guys, you can see here, before here was name Salman, now here changed name of Shamir. Okay, this is the update statement in our SQL server. Okay, then also if you want change ID, admission number, class ID, everything you can change here like this. Okay guys, then next let's see how to delete existing records in a table. Okay, let's see. Delete statement in SQL Server. What is the delete statement? Delete statement is used to remove existing record in a table. You can delete your existing record in a table as you like. Okay, let's see here how to delete existing records in a table. This is the syntax: delete from table name. You can enter here your table name, then give your condition. Okay, then let's see how to do this delete statement in a SQL server. Okay, I am going to open my SQL Management Studio. Then now we have here total 3 records. I need to delete this first one record. Okay, ID number 1. Okay, I am going to delete this id number 1 record. Let's see how to do this. Delete. What is the table name? TBL admission number. You can see here our table name. Okay, TBL admission number. And your condition were id equal to, what is id number here? 1. Okay, id number 1. Okay, I am going to execute this query. Okay guys, now you can see here one row is affected. Okay, I am going to execute such statement here. Okay guys, now you can see here only 2 records available here. Before here was 3 record. Now 1 record is deleted from here. Okay, this is the update and delete statement in SQL Server. Okay guys, it is very simple video for beginners. Okay guys, thank you, goodbye.